What's up, everybody? Rick here with an unboxing first impressions on a CJRB. Alright, what do we got here? So we got the Pyrite Light, which I haven't got my hands on yet. Get into this thing. Open up with the pink baby banter, you know. Because everybody needs a pink knife, right? Whoa, going crazy there. Open the lights. What we got in the box? All right, what's in there? Nothing. How about side? Got a pouch. Of course we do. What's in the pouch though? Cleaning cloth. Ooh, CJRB, cool stuff. Cool stuff. All right, let's see. Let's see how cool it is. We'll be the ones to determine this. I guess I will be. Everyone will just listen. They're in for the ride. So yeah, I went with the white. I got the white and black. Sharp colors. FRN. Yeah, the blade steel is. You see? See on the blade. FRN. You got a deep carry pocket clip. Recessed screws, that's nice. Button lock. Steel liners. Thumb studs. There's some good grip there. It's in a good spot too. Let's see, let's give this thing. Oh yeah. Oh, that almost looks like a sticker. Is that a sticker? No, just oiled. Let's see, we got AR RPM 9. Ooh, I like that blade. Like Warren Cliff, modified Warren. I'm just gonna call it modified Warren Cliff because someone will get on my case. Nice usable jimping back here, good choke up area. Good lockup, no blade play up, down, left, right. The FRN is feels nice too. You know, I'm not huge FRN fanboy, but like when I got my first bug out in that bug out Grivery blue, I hated it. So, but there's certain FRNs I don't mind. This one's not bad. Reversible pocket clip, that's nice. Plunge lock, button lock. We are running on I don't see washers. Must be bearings. It's hard to tell. It's awfully dark in there and oily. Look off camera for a sec. Yeah. I believe the original is bearings. Don't remember. I got the rose gold here. A little side by side. Now I got that rose gold nice and smudged. It's a little longer. This one's a little longer. What do we got for hardware? we start with 8. Okay, pivot is an 8. Oh, bodies are 8. Pocket clips are T6, which is fine. Nice, 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 like that. All right, size comparisons. What we got? We got the Spyderco Pair 3. Spyderco PM2. So the handle is roughly the same as the Pair 3, but it's got a little more blade, but less than the PM2. And we got the bug out. Which it's a little longer. Got the grip, Tillion, the sheep's foot. It's in between those two. And what else are we gonna do here? Kaiser drop bear. Definitely longer than that. Kaiser Milita. Shorter than that. So in between most of those models. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Very thin blade here. Very thin. Let's see here. I want to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This thing wants to cut. Not a problem. I mean, that's a video. I'm going to carry it around a little bit, give you a full review, see my thoughts after carrying it a bit, but that's the video. If you like this content, please give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about CJR Pyrite Light, what Stormtrooper colors. Thought this one was hot. But yeah, that's all I got. Thank you for watching.